Adding value is where a business increases the value of a product, and the main way we do this is by turning a raw material into a finished product. Now, we've talked about the three sectors, the primary, secondary, and tertiary sector, and just to remind you, the primary sector is where we collect the raw materials, the secondary sector is where we turn that raw material into a finished product, and the tertiary sector is where we sell that finished product in a shop. Now, in terms of adding value, when we collect the raw material in the primary sector, the value is very low. Once we take that raw material and manufacture it in the secondary sector to create a finished product, we've increased the value of that product. Once we put that finished product onto the shop floor and sell it, we've again increased that value. So you can see that from the primary, secondary, and tertiary sector, we've increased the value along that journey. So in terms of adding value then, developing a raw material into a finished product is one way to add value. There are other ways in which you can add value to a product or make it worth a lot more than it would be. Providing a good service and having a guarantee on a product adds value to that product. You can sell it for a lot more and it's worth a lot more. The better your service is, the more you can add value to a product, because customers will want to come back because you've provided a good service. And if you have a guarantee on a product, it can add value, it can make your product worth a lot more. Good packaging, again, that can add value to your product. Obviously, if you compare a product with very little packaging and a product that's got very good packaging, the one with good packaging may add value and customers may be willing to pay more for that product with good packaging. Branding is a very key tool in terms of adding value to a product. If we take two cans of beans, one just a normal baked bean can and the other a Heinz baked bean can, the Heinz baked bean can, you can add a lot more value to that because it's got a lot of brand image behind it. Just remember, adding value is all about increasing the value of a product.